Most people communicate in their own default style and सब assume कर लेते हैं that the world should adjust. There are 4 different types of people and उन सब की communication style अलग होती है. If you speak to a red person with too much build up, they will mentally just leave the room. जब भी आप किसी yellow person के साथ बैठ रहे हो, don't say people may enjoy you, but they don't take you seriously. With greens, don't push too hard, too fast. Some people find blues very difficult. So how do you understand आप कौन से हो? Red, yellow, blue या green? Today, मैं आपको एक cheat code दूंगी on how you can read anyone in just 10 minutes. Not to manipulate them, but to understand them. Because जब आप किसी इंसान की communication language समझ जाते हो, तब आप उनसे लड़ना या argue करना कम, connect करना ज़्यादा सीख जाते हो. But before I go ahead, एक छोटा सा reminder. बहुत सारे लोग ये videos regularly देखते हैं, but you are not subscribing to me. If you want more such smart communication, more videos that can help you think better, speak better, and understand people better, please do subscribe. Let's talk about one of the biggest mistakes जो हम सब करते हैं. Most people communicate in their own default style and सब assume कर लेते हैं that the world should adjust. एक direct person सोचता है that everyone needs to come to the point. A warm person सोचता है that everyone needs to be more sensitive. एक logical आदमी को लगता है that everyone should bring some data. And जिसके पास बहुत ज़्यादा energy है, that energetic person thinks that everyone should just lighten up. And this is where conflict begins. Not because people are bad, but people are translating each other incorrectly. There are 4 different types of people and उन सब की communication style अलग होती है. Let's code them into red, yellow, green, and blue. I'll explain to you exactly what each color means. The firstly, let's pick up red. Red लोग result driven होते हैं. वो direct होते हैं, fast होते हैं, decisive, competitive, and usually they are allergic to this unnecessary background noise. If you speak to a red person with too much build up, they will mentally just leave the room. इसलिए नहीं कि वो rude हैं, पर इसलिए क्योंकि उनका brain उनसे बार-बार पूछ रहा है, what is the point of this? So with reds, respect their time. Don't start with, so actually, let me give you the whole background from the beginning. This is what happened and that is what happened. Start with, these are the 3 things that you need to know. This is the issue, this is the impact, and this is what I recommend. So if you're a red, your growth is not becoming slow. Your growth is learning to pause enough for other people to come with you. Because speed without alignment will create resistance. The second type of communicators are yellow. Yellow people are driven by energy, by ideas, people, stories, and possibility. You know, they bring life into a room. They connect very quickly. They make things feel very exciting. वो usually expressive होते हैं, optimistic होते हैं, बहुत creative होते हैं. A yellow person doesn't just want information. They want this conversation to feel alive. If you speak to a yellow like a spreadsheet, they might respect you, but वो आपके साथ connect नहीं करेंगे. तो जब भी आप किसी येलो पर्सन के साथ बैठ रहे हो, start with energy. Don't say, here is a 45-page process document, you need to go through it and give me an answer. इसकी जगह से, this could be very exciting. यहाँ पे 3 ideas हैं that we can explore. And I think one of them could really open up something new. Yellow will respond to enthusiasm. वो respond करते हैं to stories. They respond to vision. I personally understand this energy because building something like Seco also required speaking to young people in a language that felt alive. Gen Z को सिर्फ information नहीं चाहिए, information तो हर जगह available है. उन्हें relevance चाहिए, उन्हें stories चाहिए. उन्हें ये feel होना चाहिए कि learning का connection उनकी real life से, real career से, real confusion और real ambition से है. अगर आप उनसे dry textbook language में बात करोगे, तो वो scroll away कर लेंगे. But अगर आप उन्हें ये दिखाओगे कि ये skill उनकी life में actually कैसे काम करेगा, they will stop and listen. That is yellow energy. बट येलो एनर्जी का चैलेंज भी होता है. हाई एनर्जी कभी कभी स्कैटर्ड हो जाती है. पीपल में एंजॉय यू बट दे डोंट टेक यू सीरियसली. आइडियाज बहुत होते हैं, एक्साइटमेंट्स भी बहुत होता है, लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर मिसिंग होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर कोई येलो पर्सनैलिटी वाला बोले, गाइस वी शुड डू अ पॉडकास्ट, देन रील्स, देन न्यूज़लेटर, देन वर्कशॉप्स एंड देन मे बी एन ऐप. ये एनर्जी है, एक्साइटिंग है, और बहुत स्कैटर्ड है। स्ट्रक्चर्ड का मतलब है वो सेम पर्सन बोले हम पहले 30 दिन रील टेस्ट करेंगे, हर वीक 3 फॉर्मेट्स ट्राई करेंगे, जो फॉर्मेट हाईएस्ट रिटेंशन देगा उसको पॉडकास्ट आइडिया में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, उसके बाद न्यूज़लेटर लॉन्च करेंगे। अब एनर्जी के साथ डायरेक्शन भी आ गया है। So the most powerful yellows are not just entertaining, they are energizing but with direction. तीसरे communicators होते हैं green. Green people are they calm, patient, बहुत loyal होते हैं, they are very reliable. In this world जहाँ पे celebration होती है confidence की, green people are often underestimated. But organizations, families and teams run on green energy much more than we realize. वो notice करते हैं when people are uncomfortable. They don't like sudden shocks. They don't enjoy unnecessary conflict. They want to know that change will not destroy harmony. When I built skilling ecosystems across centers and communities, green communication mattered deeply. You cannot walk into a new region, a new community, new government partnership, new training centers and only talk about speed. People need to trust before they can move. With greens, don't push too hard, too fast. Don't say, this is changing from tomorrow, adjust. Say, ये direction है in which we are moving. I know it's a shift, but we will do it step by step. And I will make sure you are supported. Green people assurance को value करते हैं. They are not weak. They are stability oriented. But greens में भी challenge है. They might avoid conflict so much that decisions get delayed. ये उनका सबसे बड़ा weak point है. अगर आप एक green person हो, your aim should not be becoming aggressive. आपका एम ये सीखना होना चाहिए कि कई बार आपका काम difficult conversations को avoid करने से नहीं बल्कि उसको pursue करने से बनता है। Fourthly is blue. Blue people are driven by logic, by structure, by accuracy and finally process. वो detail oriented होते हैं, cautious है, analytical है and often perfectionist भी होते हैं। They are the people who ask, where is the data? What is the process? What are the assumptions? And क्या होएगा if this fails? Some people find blues very difficult, but blues often save institutions and businesses from careless decisions. In Safe Educate, when I was dealing with scale, state governments, training infrastructure, industry partnerships, and thousands and lakhs of students, blue thinking became very essential. Passion कुछ चालू कर सकता है, but only process will sustain it. With blues, don't be vague. Don't say, trust me, it will work. Say, here is the data. Here is the logic, ये risk है and this is the process we will follow. Blues will respect preparation. उन्हें drama नहीं चाहिए, उन्हें clarity चाहिए. And the problem blues face is their need for precision can sometimes make them very slow, critical and very hard to satisfy. तो अगर आप blue हो, your growth is not in becoming careless. Your growth is in learning that sometimes 80% clarity with movement is better than 100% clarity with paralysis. क्योंकि perfection can become fear wearing formal clothes. Now the real skill is not finding your color and saying, this is who I am, deal with it. ये तो immaturity है. The real skill is knowing आपका default क्या है and then learning to speak other people's language without losing yourself. And this is what I found most useful in leadership. जब मैं किसी red से बात कर रही हूँ, I reduce all the background and I come directly to the point. If I know I'm talking to a yellow, मैं बहुत सारी स्टोरी टेलिंग एंड एनर्जी इन्फ्यूज करती हूँ. When I'm talking to a green, I slow it down and create safety. When I talk to a blue, मैं डिटेल प्रिपेयर करती हूँ and I respect their need for structure. Same person, different delivery. That is not being fake. That is just being intelligent. So how do you understand आप कौन से हो? Red, yellow, blue या green? मैं आपको अपना हार्वर्ड का एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ. In global rooms, especially in places like Harvard, one thing became very clear. इंटेलिजेंट के बहुत एक्सेंट थे. सम पीपल थिंक थ्रू डिबेट्स, सम थिंक थ्रू साइलेंस एंड सम प्रोसेस इमोशनली. कुछ फ्रेमवर्क्स यूज करते हैं, कुछ स्टोरीज, कुछ नंबर्स. नाउ अगर आप सबको अपने कम्युनिकेशन के स्टाइल के थ्रू जज करोगे, यू विल थिंक आधे से ज्यादा रूम गलत है. सो इफ यू वांट टू रीड समवन इन 10 minutes, ये 3 चीजें पूछो. सबसे पहले, डू दे मूव फास्ट और स्लो? फास्ट यूजुअली मीन्स रेड और येलो, स्लो यूजुअली मीन्स ग्रीन और ब्लू. सेकेंडली ये पूछो, आर दे मोर टास्क फोकस्ड और पीपल फोकस? टास्क फोकस मतलब रेड और ब्लू, पीपल फोकस मतलब ग्रीन या येलो. फाइनली, डू दे नीड एनर्जी या एविडेंस? एनर्जी का मतलब येलो, एविडेंस मतलब ब्लू, आउटकम का मतलब रेड और सेफ्टी का मतलब ग्रीन. दिस इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट साइंस. लोग काफी कॉम्प्लेक्स हैं, बट वी आर ऑल अ मिक्स एंड दिस गिव्स यू अ स्टार्टिंग मैच. एंड इन communication, even a rough map is better than walking blind. So ask yourself, आपका color क्या है that you default to, and more importantly, कौन सा वो color है जो आपको trigger करता है? Because the color that irritates you is often the color you have not learned to understand. A red can teach you speed, a yellow can teach you openness, a green can teach you patience, a blue can teach you depth. I myself am a mix between a yellow and a blue. So let me know in the comments below what color you are and who do you have the hardest time dealing with.